Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been looking to upgrade to a new iPad but don't know where to start with all the options out there? Well, here's the Apple iPad mini 6th generation. And I love this iPad for so many reasons. I think primarily because it fits in one hand. That is one of the best things about this. So easy to carry around. And so portable. So you can take it with you easily, throw it in any size bag that you're using for the day, and I can guarantee it will fit. It's like having your phone and laptop with you all in one, but it's the perfect size. So I can have such a hard time, I feel like, preparing my laptop or remembering it because it's just so bulky. It's such a hassle to carry around. And this just slips easily in my purse. And that's exactly what I was looking for. It has everything that you could need. I love the crisp Retina display. I use it to watch movies and shows. Even for Zoom, it's just nice to see everything that has such a pretty, crisp, clean look to it, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So if you're like me and looking for a really good quality iPad that's convenient, a great size to bring with you anywhere that you go, I think you'll be very happy with this iPad. But that's just my point of view.